All right, today I'm going to show you how you can make a room on PowerPoint. And so for this particular video, I am doing it for a class that is going to design a nursery. So what we're going to do is open up a new blank presentation on PowerPoint. I like to use the online app instead of the desktop app, but really either way, as long as your account is linked, it's fine. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and delete these text boxes. And the first thing that I need in my PowerPoint is a background. So I'm going to Google green wall. I like green. So here we go, images. Ooh, let's have this geometric plant design. Okay, so I'm going to save this image as something that I can find when I come back later. I'm going to call it nursery wall. Okay, now I go into my PowerPoint. I have a blank slide. Click Design, Background, Picture from File, and I choose the file that I just saved, which should be right up here. So nursery wall, open, and insert. Cute. All right, the next element that your teacher wants you to have is a BITMOJI. So the way that we get our BITMOJI, and I've already got this downloaded, but I'm going to show you how you can download it yourself. So search BITMOJI Chrome. Make sure you're operating in Google Chrome, of course. So I click BITMOJI, Google Chrome. And this is going to be an extension you add. Okay, so what you'll do is this will pop up. Hello.
Please send any sophomore to the auditorium with the last name U through Z. Last name U through Z with their card. Thank you.
Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to remove this so I can show you how to download it. All right, so when you pull this up, it's going to say Add to Chrome. Click. Add BITMOJI. Add extension. Okay, so I have the Snapchat app and I already have my BITMOJI saved on there. Okay, so if you don't have one, you'll have to create one, which it'll take you through the steps. It is not hard. You can pick out your hair and everything. Super cool. Okay, so there's my BITMOJI. This shows you that you can use BITMOJI in all the Chrome extensions that you already have. All right, but here's how we're going to add it into our presentation. You can see up here next to where I'm logged into Chrome, here is the puzzle piece, and this is where you find your extensions. Okay, and so I'm going to click BITMOJI, and then this drop down comes up. And so I can basically search for whatever BITMOJI I want. So since it's a nursery, I'm going to search for baby. Okay, and some of these are like very silly. I think that's funny. This is probably not appropriate for your project, but since I'm just demonstrating this to you, this is what we'll do. All right, so you want to right-click, and if you're using a Mac, that means you do 2 fingers on the right side and click. If you're using a PC, you're going to use the right button on your trackpad. Okay, so copy image. No, I'm done with that. So I go back to my PowerPoint, and I can hit, if you're on a Mac, Command V, and that will paste the picture. Or if you're on a PC, you can right-click and paste, or you can hit, I think it's Control V. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. All right, so I'll make this bigger. Yay, that's me. All right, so let's say I want to add some furniture. I'm going to go to just regular old Google. We'll go back to this here. Okay, we'll go and search for, what do I want? Baby crib. And I like this crib. It's very retro. All right, I pull up the image, and once again, you want to right click, save image as, cool baby crib. Okay, so instead of just pasting that whole image, I just want the crib part. I don't want the white background. I don't want anything else like that. So there's this website you can go to called remove.bg. And this is really fun if you want to make stickers or anything like that. It's kind of like generic brand Photoshop. Okay, so we'll upload image. And I saved it as cool baby crib. Okay, open. So what it does is it creates an image without the background. So all I'm going to get is like a sticker of the crib. And so I'm going to do download. And it saved it as cool baby crib remove BG preview. Okay, so now I'm going to click insert pictures from this device. Okay, and then I will choose files. We don't want to click cool baby crib because that's the regular one. So we want cool baby crib remove BG preview. Insert. Oh, that's tiny. But we can make it bigger. And so now I have my little crib. And I can, flip it around. That, seems dangerous for a baby, but whatever. We can do that. I can all right, let's say we want to add another item in our nursery. Maybe a picture on the wall or a diaper genie. Because those diapers be stinking. All right, diaper genie. There we have it. And we're going to save this image. Okay, diaper genie. We don't want the big white square in the background, so we're going to remove the background using remove.bg. There we have a lovely diaper genie sticker. And it saved it. Now I can insert it into my PowerPoint. Gotta make sure I pick the right one again. Remove background. Insert. Okay, and you can rearrange the order that these things are. So if you wanted this to be behind the crib for some reason, you can send it all the way to the back. And now it's behind the crib. Okay, or if you wanted to put something in the crib, I don't know. You can do whatever you want. Okay, you can rearrange the order, but I would like the diaper genie to be in the front, so I'm going to bring it to the front, and it's going to be in front of the thing. All right, so that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher and she can send me an email, or you can email me at carmen.folks@dcsms.org. And I'm happy to help. Okay, that's it. I don't know how to stop the video.